Just the triple digits, it's the humidity that really makes it unbearable out there.
Yeah, it's hard for us to cool down when it's just so humid outside.
You just step outside and you just
Yeah.
feel the beads.
The air is so heavy, right?
Well, I wondered, like yesterday, I'm like, man, am I just complaining? But compared to where we should be this time of the year, we're way above average.
I think the normal high for this time of year is like 89, and instead we're at 101.
Wow.
Yeah. So it just shows you how abnormal this
Feels
heat
like
wave.
112.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. When you factor in that humidity value, so it's a very hot weather pattern that we are in store for Memorial Day weekend. As a matter of fact, take a look at the forecast for the next couple of days. 101 tomorrow and 102 on Memorial Day. And it'll be mostly sunny. There will be haze in the sky because of still lingering agricultural burning in Mexico. That haze, that smoke filters into South Texas. And it's not a clear day, but it's still partly cloudy, if not a little hazy. But look at those temperatures, 101 to 102, 97 on Tuesday. The middle of next week, that's when things start to come down a notch, but it's still going to be hot. Just to reiterate, average high this time of year is 89 to 90. And even at the best, by about Wednesday and Thursday, we're still forecasting highs near 96, 95 degrees, which is way too warm for this time of May. Okay, watches and warnings. We have excessive heat warnings to the south. Heat advisories for San Antonio. That's until 7 p.m. tonight. Likely going to see another reissued heat advisory for tomorrow and probably for Monday as well, just because of the abnormal heat that is moving into South Texas and pretty much across the state as well. Okay, 98 at Bandera, 101 at Lackland, 98 here in the city. That's at the airport. That's down from 102 earlier this afternoon. So it was the first triple-digit day of the year of 2024, not the last, but of course this is a early season heat wave that is really in full force. I mean, you can see triple digits all the way down towards the Rio Grande, Laredo, probably about 104 to 105, 106 at Carrizo Springs. The hot spot, 107 at Del Rio. A few weeks ago, they hit 109, so they're near that, and it's a very hot stretch of weather across that part of the Rio Grande. And then again, when you factor in the humidity values, it's just a different level of heat. 109 at Pleasanton, 109 in San Antonio, and 113 at Pearsall. Boy, it is very hot, very humid outside tonight. Okay, the hour by hour, lower 90s through 8 o'clock. And of course, the factoring in of humidity will feel a lot warmer than that. Very steamy and humid tonight. By about 10 and 11 p.m., a small outside chance we see an isolated storm. It's not going to be everywhere, but notice on radar, it's a little active farther north, or by the way, some of these storms have been producing isolated tornadoes far removed from San Antonio, farther north near I-20 and the Red River Valley. Now, take a look at our local radar. Not much action, but there are a couple of isolated blips on radar that will try to move their way farther east. But right now, forecast models are just saying isolated activity 9, 10, and 11 o'clock tonight. We'll keep you up to date on radar here at KENS 5. Tonight's forecast, very quickly, 90s, high pressure in full control. Our next chance of rain after tonight is Monday night. Better chance at more scattered activity as daytime heat, some upper level energy pops off a couple more storms Monday evening, some of which could be severe. All right, 7-day forecast, 101 tomorrow, 102 for Memorial Day. The hottest on the 7-day forecast. You can see temperatures trend cooler Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Mornings are tropical in the 70s. Highs are hot in the 90s. 95 on Thursday and 96 on Friday.